If you want the new year to feel easier instead of busier as a homemaker, these habits will help you to do just that. Do your homemaking tasks at the same time each day. This helps to remove decision fatigue and help you to move on autopilot. Eventually, these will become a habit and you'll no longer have to think about it. Be sure to reserve 10 to 15 minutes at the end of each night to tidy up your home so that the next day you don't wake up to yesterday's messes. This one is a total game changer as each day feels like a fresh start instead of overwhelming chaos. Just a few minutes can help the whole entire day feel easier. So don't skip this one. Deciding each day's top homemaking priorities before you're tired puts homemaking on easy mode. Deciding these homemaking priorities early in the day is absolutely critical. Planning while you still have energy prevents overwhelm and decision fatigue later. Pro tip, be sure to have an admin day for your home in order to make sure you're planning these at least a week ahead of time. 2 things to help your future self. Whatever you can do today that will help you with tomorrow is a habit well worth keeping. Things like picking out your clothes the night before and prepping breakfast can absolutely change the tone of your next day to a more calm and productive one. Another New Year habit to pick up to make your homemaking easier is starting before you're ready. Begin a small task even when motivation is low. Starting creates momentum, and momentum beats motivation every single time because momentum keeps you going even if you don't feel like it. It also makes the rest feel easier because the body emotion absolutely stays in motion. Easier days don't come from doing more, they actually come from doing things on purpose. But if you want even more simple homemaking tips, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.